Everybody, some of you missed today's lesson, so I'm just going to remind you, when you get your machine, if it happens to have thread still on it, to remove the thread, put back the spool cover, and press this little black button down and to the right to pop off the bobbin cover. Reach in, grab a hold of the bobbin. You don't need that for now, okay? And then you can put this back on it in an angle and pop it down. All right, so what I showed everybody today is that you can plug your machine in. I'm gonna use this plug. Uh-oh, there we go. That will then, there is an on-off switch on the right. You can turn it on. I showed everybody that to put it into safety mode, whenever you're getting your hands near the needle, you can pull the hand wheel out. And then that way, if I accidentally push down on the pedal, the foot pedal, what happens is the needle does not go up and down. See that? So if I'm threading or changing a needle, I can put it in safety mode by pulling it out. Now, if I want to sew, I need to take it off safety mode by pushing the hand wheel back in. Now, if I push the foot pedal, you'll see the needle go up and down. This controls the speed. That's slow, that's medium, that's fast. I want everybody on slow speed for now, okay? I also showed everybody the dials and what they do. This is the stitch width control, and it needs to be at 5 for a narrow straight stitch. This is the pattern selector control, and it needs to be at 1 for a straight stitch. If you ever forget, it will tell you right here, 1 is a straight stitch, 2 is a zigzag. Those are the only two that we really use in this class. And then the last one is the stitch length dial, and this is a really tight stitch. This is a really long stitch. We want a medium stitch, 2.5. So we're always going to be at 5, 1, and 2.5 for a straight stitch. And then this is your tension dial. I want this to be in the middle. So the middle happens to be 4, okay? This is the presser foot pressure amount, again, in the middle at 2, so the arrow pointing to 2. The other thing I showed everybody is that there is a button here that you can press once to go down and once to go up. This will come in handy when we are bringing up the bobbin thread, okay? This is a presser foot lifter. So if you reach underneath and bring it down and up, that lifts and lowers the presser foot. Get in the habit of lifting and lowering the presser foot gently, not slapping it down, up and down gently. If you are sewing, you need to make sure that the presser foot is down, otherwise it will not work. So watch when the presser foot is down, it moves, in this case a piece of paper, on its own. So you're not pushing or pulling, you're just letting it, you're guiding it and letting it go. Why is that happening? The feed dogs underneath, watch what happens. They are like working like a train wheel. Up and down, locomotive, right? And that's pushing the fabric, in this case the paper, in the right direction. Okay, this is a back stitch button. Press and hold to go backwards. I'll show you with the paper. I'm gonna go forward and I'm gonna go back by pressing and holding. See how it goes backwards? We do that when we need to do a back stitch at the beginning and end of a stitching line. That is all that I basically showed everybody today. One more thing, this is the take-up lever. And again, this is important when we go to thread. The take-up lever needs to be up. So you maneuver it by moving the hand wheel up and down. So sometimes it's hiding. You want it up so that when we go to thread, we can wrap it around. That was everything I showed the students today. So thanks for watching this video, and we will see you Monday.